LED patio lights by XMcosy will set the stage for the perfect evening, no matter the event. They are easy to install and easy to use thanks to the XMcosy app. XMcosy patio lights are shatterproof and weatherproof. Rain, wind, or snow, the lights will last through the seasons. They are energy efficient and replaceable. Simply remove the protector and replace the LED. Our patio lights are available in 49 and 98 feet and are connectable, so you can fill any space. With a fully customizable app, you can control the lights from theme down to each bulb. So whether you're preparing a surprise party for mom, setting up a garden getaway, or enjoying a romantic evening, your patio lights will match the event. Want to turn on the lights at a specific time? Simply set the schedule in advance, or just tell Alexa to turn off the lights in an hour. You can even set the lights to turn on or off with weather changes, like sunset and sunrise. Bring home LED patio lights by XMcosy to brighten up the evening.